some duckers. All the trees are covered in ice. Came out today because the sun was actually poking out maybe an hour ago. Brought my camera with me, but fortunately as soon as I hit the road and got over here, all these clouds came in. I did get a few shots because what's happening is the sun's reflecting on all the ice in the trees and making them gleam. So I tried to get a couple pictures of that. Of course, the first destination I went to, I took too long to get to, and that's when these clouds came out, so oh well. It's always another day. But yeah, all the trees are just covered in this ice. It's a little dangerous walking underneath them all because it's windy and the ice is falling. But it's cold enough that it hasn't melted yet. It's like 21 degrees out Fahrenheit. Make sure I don't go under any trees here, because that could be dangerous. A lot of falling stuff. I keep my distance. We are not going to go in there.